everyone, Battlecrom here. We are looking at a new game today. This game, it just came out. I literally just bought this game after I got off work. I got on here and was fiddling around with it. I've had it on my wish list on Steam for a while now. This game is called Captain of Industry. I fiddled around with it a bit today just to kind of get the basics of it so I don't look too inept here. Now there's a lot of different maps on here, but I figure most people are probably going to play the New Haven map, which is kind of like the starter map. And since I'm new to this game as well, I thought that's probably the one we want to play here. Game difficulty, that's kind of the easy level right there. I think we can play it on like the normal level, Captain. Okay, so there's, I don't know, I guess it gives you a little bit of a storyline. You docked, your ship needs repairs. I mean, it doesn't give you too much more information than that. I think you can kind of use your imagination here and just think, you know, I don't know, what scenario could cause this. You know, it's like the apocalypse or something. And you and I don't know, a bunch of survivors were on a cargo ship, and your cargo ship, I don't know, landed here on this damaged dock, and you pulled your cargo containers out, and you made a little makeshift village for all your people here. And here, let's pause it while we're yakking. But it's, I don't know, it's kind of like, to me, it seems kind of like maybe Factoria a little, which I've never actually played. Maybe mixed with, what is that one game, Tropico or something, but it doesn't have the storyline of Tropico. Alright, so we got some things we start with here. We start with trucks. We start with a machine here that can harvest trees. Like I said, this is your village over here where your people are living. And then we got this facility here that we can actually scrap. It gives us some basic components that we can't actually build yet. So we'll hit start recycling on that. Yeah, let's start them on a couple little things here though. Let's get them started on those because I want to get rid of those trees right there. That's kind of going to get in our way here. Alright, now we need to build a research center. There it is right there. Let's build that right there. Now the game, it does have a bit of a progression system, and it does have a whole tech tree, so that's why we need the research center. Well, I think we need to attach, let's put a truck with him. Okay, we got a research center built. Let's see. Alright, well, we want to get basic farming in there. Let's just fill up our queue here with a couple things. Then we'll get construction going. Yeah, it allows us to build the assembler. Let's see, next. I don't know, like storage units in the trading dock. Let's add that. And then we'll probably go that. Then that. This allows the diesel generator there. There are some buildings that do require power, but to me, this was more important here. We can get the excavator, we can build trucks, we can build tree harvesters, mining control tower. This allows a lot of our mining. Then after that, I don't know. Let's just get through that, and then we'll figure out where we're going to go from there. Alright, well, we gotta send our trees somewhere here. So, okay. Yeah, what we need to do is we need to build a facility that'll turn the trees into coal. I think we'll build that over here. Because over here we got, this is where our iron mine is. This is iron. Oh yeah, let's pull this up so you can see. The blue right here, this is water. This is coal. That's limestone. This is iron. Sand. Let's see, the more limestone, more coal, more iron. That's gold. What was that one again right there? That blue. That's, oh, that's copper. Yep. But The coal is going to be important here for our initial manufacturing, and we'll be mining this iron right here, and then we'll eventually get into mining that coal too. Oh, this is oil right here. That's going to be very important. We need to make diesel to run our vehicles. So let's take that down. We will build... Here it is right here, the coal maker. So let's just kind of put that over here so it's relatively close to where we're going to be building our other stuff. Should we tuck it in the trees a little bit? Yeah, let's just kind of tuck it into these trees over here a little bit. There we go. Now it's going to need, this facility, it's going to need an exhaust on it. Like a, I don't know, a smokestack. Right there. Now since I don't think we're going to be building more than one of these right away, we'll just, well, yeah, let's give it a little space like that. That way we can connect another pipe to it if we want to. There we go. Let's go ahead and attach one more truck to him, help him feed that. Okay, let's set up our first industry buildings over here now. There we go. We want to put down a blast furnace. I want to put it over here, even though initially it's going to be pulling metal from this thing right here. But eventually we're going to be mining here, so I'd rather it be fairly close to the mine. So let's put it right here. Let's see, what's the inputs? Inputs, that's the output. Okay, so let's do it like this. There we go. Now let's put our smokestack. We'll put it... Yeah, we'll put it like right there. That way we could put another one down here right next to it if we want to, and have them just share the one smokestack. So it produces 18 exhausts every 60 seconds, and this can accept looks like 60 exhausts in 60 seconds. So we could attach more than one of these to this smokestack. There we go. Now this is going to produce enough metal. Turn it on. There it is. Going to produce. It's going to take the iron scrap and it's going to convert it into what is it? Iron plates or something? Oh yeah, molten iron. Okay, yeah. And then we're going to build this other facility. The metal caster, and this is going to turn the molten metal into the metal plates. Let's see, let's put it, let's do this. We'll flip it, there we go. That puts the output right there. I think what we're going to try and do here is we're going to get them where the outputs are right next to each other. So we flip that again, we'll rotate it. There we go. That's going to put both outputs right there next to each other. That could come in handy there later on when we hook conveyors up. At least it seems like it should. Alright, now to connect them, we're going to use this molten channel right here. So the molten metal will flow to them through this right here. And then we'll connect that. There we go. Now they're all connected. Did we select that? Oh yeah, there we go. We got to turn that on. Okay. Now the truck should start bringing materials over here to it now. we got some stuff stored here at this dock also. Eventually we're going to repair this dock so we can use it. Okay. Let's see, waste and dumping. Oh yeah, that's right. We got to build our little waste station there for our people because they are producing trash. Research lab, yep, we do have that. What's this for? Logistics. Yeah, this is just talking about trucks, conveyors. Iron smelting, that's what we're working on right now. And we finished basic farming, so we can make our farms now. That's something we're actually going to want to do very soon. So that's the next thing we're going to do. We're just going to let that there work for a little bit. And let's see, where should we put our farms? We got to designate more areas for these guys to cut. And they got all that cut down there. So let's have them work. Let's have them work on this stuff here, right? It's right around the coal. That'll be a shorter trip for the truck. Alright, there we go. And let's build our waste facility here. Where's that at? Waste collection right here. Let's put that there like that. Okay, now we got to designate an area to dump that trash. And I wonder if we could have it just kind of dump it right out here in the ocean. That doesn't sound very good, does it? Let's see what happens. Might let us do it, actually. Okay, we got that. Okay, we got to change the direction of that, though. If we're going to be able to do it. Let's see. Maybe to that height. Right there. Let's see. Well, it's making a big ramp over the ocean there. I don't know if we can get it up to this height. I don't know. We'll have to fiddle around with that and see how it works. Alright, let's get our farm started. There we go. That's what I wanted. And we'll add like 2 more over here later on. Okay. Alright, let's talk a minute here about what I just did, because everybody's new. Okay, so to the right you have a list of the most important products in the game. It's like a quick list, and it's pretty helpful. Also, if you see that some of them are red, some are green, some are just kind of a neutral in color. If it's in green, that means it's generally increasing right now. Red means it's kind of decreasing. The white means it's staying more or less the same. And yeah, anyway. And then here's a larger list. There's more here than what's over there. One of the most important things I found is the construction parts in the beginning, because you need that to build just about everything. So the first factory we're going to build really is going to be for construction parts. I'll probably end up building 2. Let's see. Let's have a little look around now, because our coal is just barely hanging on here. How are we doing? We'll seem to be at pretty much max capacity. Alright, let's see. For every 60 seconds, this thing is producing 6 coal. And for every 60 seconds, this is consuming 9. Okay, so it is actually not meeting expectations there. So let's go ahead and build a second one of these in. Let's see. Let's flip it. There we go. We'll just build it right there. That way these guys can share the same smokestack here. Oh, no. We want tubing, not another smokestack. There we go. This will just save us some resources here. There we go. That should increase our coal production now. Now, we don't want to run out of food. I mean, there's things that... What I figured out is there are things that can just kind of kill you and end your game, and you're going to have to start over. Getting in a situation where your people are starving is one thing that'll... You know, that could cause you a lot of issues. So you're going to have to stay on top of that. Fuel is another one. As you can see over here, we got diesel. The trucks run on diesel. Now, right now... we just started, so we're not really using any of this diesel, but as we grow, I mean, trucks are very important. We're going to really start burning through those diesel. And if we get to a situation where we run out of diesel before we have the ability to produce our own diesel, I mean, that could be game ending for you. Okay, so what we're doing here now is we're producing the iron plates, and the iron is one of the components we're going to need to build our construction components. So we did, I believe, unlock that now on our tech tree. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah. Was it one of these? Yeah, the assembly. This one doesn't require electricity, but with this we can actually produce our, there we go, our construction components. Now we're not producing all of this stuff right now, mainly the concrete we're not producing, but we're able to salvage that right now in the beginning from here. So we're just going to end up pulling it right here, the concrete slabs. And we're also, you can see we're pulling the iron scrap from there too. Eventually that'll run out of iron and we're going to have to mine it over here. But we'll have the capability to mine over there long before we run out over there. But let's get some production going here. Oh, we unlocked storage unit now. That's good. If I can figure out where it is, here we go. Assembly. Now, until we unlock conveyors, I mean, everything's going to be moved around with trucks. So we need to make sure we have some room there for the trucks to get in here. But we kind of want to lay it out too, where hopefully we don't have to move around too many things before we just hook up conveyors. So, yeah, I think we'll just put this right here. And I'm going to want actually 2 of these. So let's place another one. Yeah, I think right there would be fine. Okay. We're going to set both of these to producing construction components. There we go. And later on we could change one to something else too if we want to, or just build more. But right now what I really want is construction components. Alright, well, coal is definitely going up now. That helped a lot. Now our woods... Is our wood decreasing now? Oh, we can build the trading dock now. That's actually good. Alright, this is just talking about the assembly we just built. Yep, they're up and running now, huh? Now, unity points right here. Let's pull this up. Right now we're increasing 0.9 a turn. The research lab actually reduces that a little, so you can build more research labs if you want to move through the research tree faster. but it will affect your Unity. Pollution, I mean, later on, I mean, it's just kind of unavoidable. Our air pollution, water pollution, all that's going to increase. I mean, this is an industrial game, so we're definitely going to be dumping some sewage and all kinds of nasty stuff. So spewing, I don't know, coal-filled air. I don't know. We're going to be doing some pretty gross stuff to the environment, so that's going to be affected by it. But we want to kind of keep it in the positive, though, because we can use the Unity. One thing, you just don't want to go into the negative, because then people will start getting mad at you. It'll affect their health and productivity. But also, you can increase the production on things, too. If you can hit this, and you can boost it temporarily. It, like, I don't know, like doubles the production. So, it even says, yeah, you can double the production by doing that, which does come in useful, like in a large construction project. How are we doing here? Missing input. What is it missing? We got wood. We should be getting the concrete slabs. Is it pulling concrete out of here? Let's have a look. This guy's pulling up right now. Oh yeah, he pulled concrete out of there. Okay, I think they're just now getting it over there. Concrete was slowing it down, it looks like. Oh, it's got a little green bar. Okay, so it's the wood. Huh. Do we need... Maybe we should put one of these coal guys on pause for right now. There we go. That way we can help increase our wood production a little. Maybe what we need to do is I think we need a storage facility for our wood. That'll probably help. And we can't build a storage facility now, so... Here we go. Let's see, we'll put it... Tell it to store wood. There we go. The other thing we need to do is we need to build the what is that? The trading port, trading dock. Because this can come in actually very useful. We'll be able to trade to get stuff that we need. So I definitely want to build that. What's that going to take? That's going to take a lot of wood too. Yeah, we definitely need to just slow down a little there on the... let's have this built first. Prioritize that. Oh, look at that. We could do that. That'll just kind of instantly build it. Sweet. Perfect. He still has 2 trucks assigned to him, right? Yeah. Where are these trucks at? What are they doing? Oh, they were delivering the wood down here. Yeah, that's what they're doing. Doesn't look like we could speed that one up though. Alright, so we will need to do this soon. What do we want to do first though? We need this stuff to be able to make our diesel. This stuff to make concrete. Wonder which one. The beacon will help bring people in. We have 29 available workers right now. What's our fuel look like? Diesel is starting to go down now. Okay, let's do that next. Then that. then the beacon. There we go. Alright, now we're looking over here. These guys are still just delivering the wood straight down there, it looks like. Yeah, they're not putting wood in here right now. They're just delivering it straight to the dock here. That's alright. We're getting there. We're about halfway done. Yeah, these guys aren't receiving anything yet. Alright, so once the dock is built, might want to build the vehicle depot next. That allows us to build more trucks. Also build... we could build more... we could build things like excavators for mining. And we could build well, more of these guys right here, the little tree harvesters. That might be the next thing we want to build. Wait! Stop the video! We need to stop right there. Otherwise this video is going to be way too long. Okay, so we recorded about 2.5 hours of footage right here. And, well, we need to make at least 2 videos out of that, because otherwise it's going to be way too long. Nobody wants to sit and watch a 2-hour video. So, hey, I appreciate you watching, and we will continue this video in episode 2. Thank you.